Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Christian and today I'll be showing you guys how to download the Epic Games Launcher. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is go to your primary browser. Any kind of browser will work for this. Next thing you guys are going to want to do is search up Epic Games in the search bar. Click search. Once you're here, scroll down. Go to download Epic Games. It should look like this. Click on it. The site should look like this. If it doesn't, I'll leave a link down in the description below so you guys can find this site. Click download in the top right corner or get Epic Games. A download should start. Once the download is done, search up File Explorer or open it. Once you're in File Explorer, open Downloads. Once you're in Downloads, right-click Epic Installer and select Install. This is what the page should look like. If you guys are not happy with your destination folder, simply select Change. Once you are here, select your primary drive. I will be selecting my C drive. And then I will be selecting the Epic Games folder that I have already made. Once you are done, select OK. Once everything is completed, select Install. Once the install is done, it should look like this. You may either log in or sign up to one. Once you guys are done signing up or logging in, it should look similar to this. Please enjoy the last few frames before I wrap up the video. If you guys like today's video, then feel free to leave a like or a comment, or if you guys want to see more like this, then subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and every time I post a new video, you guys will be notified. That's all for now, and I'll see you guys in the next video.